Hey there! Welcome to Car Clinic. Today, we're diving into how to reset a transmission control module in your Chevy. If you're experiencing shifting issues, sluggish performance, or those annoying check engine lights, this video is here to help. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss valuable videos like this one. Let's dive in. Resetting your transmission control module is a simple yet powerful way to tackle transmission issues without expensive repairs. The TCM manages your vehicle's shifting patterns by using data from sensors and driving habits. But over time, it can accumulate errors or incorrect data, leading to rough shifting, delays, or warning lights. A reset gives the system a fresh start. Here are 3 effective methods to reset the transmission control module in your Chevy. Method 1. The key cycle method. This is one of the easiest ways to reset your TCM and doesn't require any tools. It works by cycling the ignition to clear minor glitches and recalibrate the system. To do this, turn your ignition to the on position, where the dashboard lights come on but the engine doesn't start. Leave it in this position for about 5 seconds, then turn it off. Repeat this process 3 to 5 times. What happens here is that the TCM resets its temporary data, essentially giving it a chance to start fresh. After completing the cycles, start your car and take it for a short, gentle drive to see if the problem is resolved. This method is ideal for minor issues or when the transmission feels slightly off. Method 2. The battery disconnect method. If the key cycle doesn't work, the battery disconnect method is a more thorough approach. This clears all stored data from the TCM and forces it to recalibrate. Begin by turning off your car and opening the hood. Locate the negative battery terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Use a wrench to loosen and remove the cable from the terminal. Let it sit disconnected for at least 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, any remaining power in the TCM is drained, and the system is completely reset. After reconnecting the cable, start your car and let it idle for a few minutes to allow the TCM to reinitialize. This method is especially helpful if your TCM has built up significant errors or if the first method didn't resolve the issue. Method 3. Using a diagnostic scanner. For a precise and controlled reset, a diagnostic scanner is your best option. This method not only resets the TCM, but also provides valuable diagnostic information to help identify any deeper issues. First, locate your car's OBD2 port, which is typically found under the dashboard near the driver's seat. Plug the scanner into the port and turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Follow the instructions on the scanner to navigate to the TCM reset option. Most scanners will walk you through the process step by step. Once the reset is complete, turn off the ignition, unplug the scanner, and restart your vehicle. The diagnostic scanner method is great for pinpointing specific problems and ensuring a thorough reset, helping your TCM relearn. After resetting the TCM using any of these methods, it's important to help it relearn your driving habits. This process ensures the transmission operates smoothly and efficiently. Drive your Chevy gently for the first 50 to 100 miles after the reset. Vary your speeds and let the transmission shift naturally through all the gears. Avoid hard acceleration, braking, or towing during this period. This allows the TCM to recalibrate itself based on your driving style and optimize its performance. When should you see a mechanic? While these reset methods are effective for most issues, there are times when professional help may be needed. If your Chevy continues to experience transmission problems, such as persistent warning lights, grinding gears, or erratic shifting, it could indicate deeper mechanical or electronic issues. A professional mechanic can run detailed diagnostics and address any underlying problems. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions you have.